Alright, so today we are going to do another cauliflower crust pizza, and we are going to do a barbecue chicken cauliflower crust pizza. So, I have some leftover grilled chicken, I have some green onion that we're going to put on top of this, and then you can either put banana peppers on it or jalapenos on it. I might put banana peppers on mine because that's kind of all I have right now, but even some fresh jalapenos would be bueno. But I have my crust made right yonder. So, let's get started with our barbecue sauce. It's about the only real cooking we're doing today, other than obviously putting it in the oven, and we already made the crust. And obviously the chicken was already grilled yesterday, so let's make a barbecue sauce. Oy, it's a little warm in here. Okay, I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of no sugar added ketchup. Okay, then I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard, a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of pepper, a 1/4 cup of light brown sugar, and then a tablespoon of minced garlic. Okay, turn our heat on and give this a good stir. And we're just gonna keep this going until it starts to bubble, and that means it's hot enough and the sugar's melted and we're ready to go. And I almost forgot a 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. Alright, that only took a few minutes. It'll get a little darker. You don't want it to get too dark because then it'll burn, but once this cools down a little bit more, it'll get a little bit more of that deep, dark, rich barbecue look to it. But it tastes really good. So let's go ahead and assemble our pizza. All right, so let's go ahead and put on our barbecue sauce. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of excited to see how this barbecue sauce does in the pizza oven, because the nice thing is it'll even get a little nice dark color to it when it cooks in the pizza oven. So maybe going a little sooner, so only letting it go for like 2 or 3 minutes until it gets bubbly, like starts to bubble, and then cut the heat, because maybe that might be a nice idea so that it doesn't burn in your pizza oven. But let's go ahead and add some chicken. Okay, and I am gonna add some banana peppers. Again, if I had jalapenos, I would totally add jalapenos. Okay, let's put on some of our green onion, then some mozzarella cheese. Okay, and then lastly, a little bit of shredded Parmesan cheese. All right, I'm excited to the pizza oven. All right. Woo! I love it. I love it. So, we're going to dress this guy up. Drizzle just a little bit of our barbecue sauce over it. All right, and then I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit more green onion just for presentation. Not a lot. And there you have it. Oh, yes. All right, let's eat it. Let's eat. Let's eat. All right, I switched to a cutting board because I've always wanted to use this. So, let's cut into it. All right, I don't even know where to start, but we're gonna start with, ain't it purty? Cheers. Hold on. Yes! So, anywho, holy crap. This barbecue sauce is fantastic. Everything in this pizza works. If you want it like a little spicier, then use jalapenos. But if you don't, use banana peppers. I tell you what, this barbecue sauce is fantastic. Oh yeah. It's got some tang to it from the mustard, and then it's just got a nice balanced sweetness. I tell you what, I continue to amaze myself. And it didn't like burn it, I guess. It was more from the crust. But it definitely holds some of the smoke from the fire. absolutely phenomenal. Well, guys, there you have it. A barbecue chicken pizza on a cauliflower crust. I will be making this multiple times. Again, I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, and you're new, make sure you hit that sub button. Throw a comment down below. Tell me what you guys think. Give me some ideas. And as always, peace out, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye!